down. Hey, how's it going? This is the top 3 shoulder, neck, upper back, pain management, and injury prevention tools and techniques. Have you ever just been sitting there and all of a sudden you had a pain in your neck or your upper back, or you just felt stiff and you didn't really know what to do about it? Or maybe you've been in the gym and you just started warming up and you feel a twinge. Or it could be the day after a workout and you just feel you've got some shoulder pain that just came on out of nowhere. And then you've got a setback, you've got to reduce your weights, and you're not able to continue making good progress. I've been there too. Well, my name is Adam, and I'm a certified strength and conditioning specialist. I'm also a personal trainer. I have a master's degree in exercise physiology from James Madison University. And I've had my fair share of shoulder and neck and upper back injuries and tightness. And from what I have found, most of these problems are a result of just a lack of spending enough time stretching, foam rolling, and getting massages. But I'm here right now to tell you that there's a lot you can do on your own. So go ahead right now, tag a friend that might benefit from watching this video. Comment, where are you watching from? Please share this if you're watching on Facebook. And subscribe to my channel if you're watching on YouTube. And if you're watching this as part of the Clawson program, continue watching. All right, so first I want to get into how to use a foam roller. Now, your lats, okay, a big muscle goes from all the way down your lower back, pretty much up to your neck. So using a foam roller, you can lay right on it, and it's just a small little area right in your armpit. You're going to start rolling back and forth, up and down that lat muscle. Now, if you have tight lats, this is not going to feel very good, but it will get easier the more that you do it. So you just got to remember to go slow, take your time, and know that it will get easier. But this right here will give you a lot of relief. Having tight lats can prevent you from being able to press overhead properly. For example, let's say you're getting ready to do an overhead press, and here you are with your weight. Now, you can get here just fine, but because your lats are tight, in order to get that full range of motion, you've got to arch your back. All right, what we want to be able to do is get that full range of motion while keeping your back nice and flat and getting that head all the way through the arms. So that's one reason that we want to roll out our lats. Let's get the other one down. We want to make sure you get both sides. You might find that one side is tighter than the other. That is completely normal, but it is something that you want to address. I would recommend doing these exercises pretty much every day, before each workout, after each workout. Just 5 or 10 minutes is going to save you a lot of time. It's going to save you weeks, potentially months of rehab if you have a torn muscle. So that's what we're trying to prevent. All right, so that will take care of the lats with the foam roller. Next, we're going to roll out the upper back, or the thoracic spine. So you're going to begin with that foam roller right at the middle of your back, below the shoulder blades. Cross your arms over your chest like you're giving yourself a big hug. Then lift the hips up and roll until the roller gets to the top of the shoulder blades. Then you're going to roll back down. You want to do this slowly. You might get some cracks or some pops in there, which is normal, so don't let it freak you out. But you want to make sure that you do not go to the lower back. You just stick to the middle back and the upper back. That's where your thoracic spine is. Now, the thoracic spine, that is an area of your spine that you want to have good mobility. So if that gets locked up, it can affect your posture. It can affect your ability to reach overhead, can affect your ability to turn your head, which is very important skill to do that we don't often think of. Okay, so that's rolling the thoracic spine. Next, we want to arch your back, arch the thoracic spine. So we're going to lay your legs flat on the ground, hands behind your head, and you're just going to lay back over that roller with the roller at the bottom of your shoulder blades. Inhale on the way up, and then you're going to exhale as you lay back. Every few reps, you can move to a different spot. You can slide down so that the roller goes up your back a little bit. Do a couple reps there. Or you can slide up so that the roller goes down your back a little bit. Again, do not do this on your lower back. Stick to the middle and the upper back. All right, so that's how we roll and arch your back using a foam roller. Next up is a little device that it looks like a cane, but this is actually a wonderful tool, all right, that you can use to address knots in your upper back. So I'll show you from the front. Okay, you're just going to hold on with both hands, place that knob right on the upper back, right where the traps are, and you can pull. And you can really easily find some knots, and not only pulling, but also moving the knob around. Show you from the back here, so you can get all along the inside of that shoulder blade, and you do want to pull pretty hard. You really want to break up those knots. You can get up on top of the shoulder blade, and you can try from a little different angle going from underneath. That's just another way to get into those hard to reach places. You can try to slide it a little bit. All right, and we're going to get the other side. Now, while you're doing this, it does help if you stretch the muscle. So I am targeting my upper back on the left side. I'm targeting that left trap. And at the same time, I want to tilt the head to the right. So you're trying to bring that right ear down towards your right hip. That just feels so good. I feel like I want to do this for another 10 minutes probably. I probably will after this video is over. So next, you're going to go from tilting your head to the right, and then you're going to turn your head to the right and bring that chin down, point your chin down towards that right hip. Just gives you a little different stretch. And man, if you're somebody that if you sit at a computer a lot, or you tend to have your shoulders rounded forward, or you just don't have very good posture, or if you spend a lot of time in the gym training the chest, but neglecting your back, those can be a few reasons that you might have some pain in your upper traps and your necks, your neck, excuse me. And if you're just joining, go ahead and please like, comment, share, subscribe to the YouTube channel. Do me a favor, do that. And go ahead and comment, where are you watching from? Are you dealing with any pain or aches right now? Are they keeping you up at night? Are they just preventing you from getting good workouts in the gym? What's going on? All right, so that is the green stick. That's probably the most effective area that I like to get to with this. Now, there are a whole bunch of other knobs on here that you can use to even get your neck, but we're not going to do that right now. So my third and final tool is the Hypervolt. This is, like I said, the easiest. It's going to be a little more expensive, but definitely worth the investment. It's nice and quiet. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. Select what power level you want. And this is especially, I love using it for getting into the chest, into the pecs, which I did do an upper body pushing workout yesterday, and man, I'm feeling sore from that. So this thing definitely comes in handy. Now you can run it along the muscle fibers in the direction that they go. So going from the shoulder towards the sternum, back and forth there. You can go right up underneath the collarbone. That's a great area to get to. You can get down a little bit lower down at the bottom of the pecs. Reach that arm up, and you're going to be able to get right in there. Okay. And you just want to find those sore spots, work them out. Spend a few minutes doing this. We're going to move on. We're going to get the right side. So go ahead and get that right side. This just feels so good. Especially if you're somebody that likes to do full body workouts very frequently, I would highly recommend investing in the Hypervolt. It's going to help you to recover much faster so you can have great workouts day after day. All right, so that's getting the pecs. Next, we're going to get down to the biceps. As with the lower body, you want to make sure just to stick to the muscle. You do not want to do this over a joint. It's not going to be very effective, and it's probably going to be painful. I did the triceps yesterday, so we're going to work on the triceps for a little bit here. And if you are very sore, make sure you just go lightly or set it on a less powerful setting. We're going to get up into the deltoids. Just be careful when you're using this. Do not push too hard, especially when you're working on around your neck. You can injure yourself. There's a lot of nerves going from your neck down to the shoulders. There we go. We're going to get a little different part of the tricep. There you go. And we get down to the forearms. You'll be surprised at how sore your forearms can get from working out, or if you spend a lot of time typing at the computer or writing. If you have a job where you just use your hands a lot, you want to make sure to get all areas of your forearm. You can even get that little muscle right there where your thumb is, okay? And that can get sore too. All right, we're going to switch sides over to the left arm, starting with the bicep. Now, if you want to stretch your bicep, here's a quick little way to do it. So you will stretch your bicep if you actually turn your palm to face up. That will stretch out the bicep and just makes this a little bit more effective. It's the little things that you can do to make each foam rolling exercise or each Hypervolt, each stretch, each strength exercise just a little more effective so you can get the most out of it. We're going to work on that tricep here on the left side. If you want to stretch it out, just flex your elbow, and that will get you your tricep in more of a stretched position. Make little circular patterns, go up and down, back and forth. Okay, I'm telling you, this is the easiest way to prevent those nagging aches and pains, those little aches and pains from turning into something more serious. And that's going to really set you back. Again, my name is Adam Clawson, A-Game Health and Fitness, and my goal is to help educate you and inspire you and motivate you to improve all the aspects of your health and fitness. You're watching the video right now, the top 3 shoulder, upper back, and neck pain management and injury prevention tools and techniques. We're using the Hypervolt. All right, if you just joined us, go ahead and comment, comment where you're watching from. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Next up, we're going to get the upper back. We're going to get those traps, right? And turn that head. If you're working on that right side, tilt your head to the left a little bit so you can stretch those muscles out. I'm going to turn around for a second so you can see what's going on back here. So I'm working on the upper trap. Right between the neck and the shoulder, we're going to get our way down the back so we can get along the inside of the shoulder blade. Just pushing lightly. You'll let that hypervolt do the work. Like I said, do not push hard, especially when you're up in this area where you've got all those nerves. And we're going to switch sides. That just feels great. It just feels like the tension in the muscles just melting. I do have a back workout coming up later today, so this is going to get me nice and ready for it. Best time to do something like this would be before your workout, but there's nothing wrong with doing it during your workout, after the workout. There's really not a bad time to do it. All right, guys, so that is it. That is a little upper body pain management, injury prevention techniques using a foam roller, this stick, and the Hypervolt. This is the Hypervolt by Hyper Ice. All right. Thank you for watching. I would like to let you know that I am doing a free phone consultation, a health and fitness consultation to help identify what is going on with you. What are your health and fitness goals? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to get stronger? Do you want to be more flexible, have more energy, improve your cardio? No matter what your goal is, I can help you. I've been doing this for the last 15 years. I've helped hundreds of people identifying solutions to any possible obstacle that is keeping you from getting to the goal, that is keeping you from getting in shape the way you've always wanted to. So again, thank you very much for watching. Please make sure you like and comment, subscribe to my channel, leave me a little bit of feedback, ask me to do a video on some different topics. I would appreciate that. One last thing, good luck with the program. If you are following the Clawson Strength and Conditioning program, good luck. If you're just getting started, hang in there. If you're just finishing up, you've done great. You're almost done. All right. One last thing. Do not forget to bring that A game. Have a great day.